The monitoring system needs to be reset after installation and after each cartridge replacement. Remove the battery cover to reveal two setting buttons, F1 and F2. After installing the new batteries, press and hold the F1 button for 3 seconds until you hear a sound. Repeat the same steps with the F2 button. When the LCD cartridge indicator drops to 1 bar, the light indicator will turn red, indicating cartridge change is required. After the last bar goes out, an alarm will sound every time when the faucet is turned on, until the cartridge is replaced and the monitoring system is reset. Replace the cartridge regularly to enjoy clean and clear drinking water anytime with peace of mind.